Hi, I'm Ruchi. In this video, we'll be practicing 11 rounds of Surya Namaskar. If you are new to Surya Namaskar, I suggest you to learn it using my another video which is displaying at the top of your screen. All rounds will follow different pace. If you feel tired or exhausted anywhere, take rest for one round and rejoin. Let's begin our practice. The first round focusing on the body. Feel the entire body in the Pranamasana. With inhale, stretch up the arms. Feel the shoulders. Exhaling very slowly, coming down, touching the palms. Head is close to the knees. Inhale, right leg back, look up, stretch up. Exhaling, Parvatasana, mountain, stretching back the shoulders. Ashtanga, feeling the entire body. Inhaling, Bhujang. Exhaling, pressing back the shoulders. Left leg front, feel every posture. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhaling, pranam. Half more. Inhale, stretching up the arms, feeling the muscles, the shoulders. Exhaling, back is straight, coming down. Head is close to the knees. Left leg is back, look up. Exhale, stretch back the shoulders, legs are straight. Ashtanga, relaxing in this posture. Inhale, Bhujang. Exhale, back to the mountain, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg front. Exhale, both legs front. Inhaling, stretching up the arms, up and back. Exhale, pranam. Second round, focusing on the breath with every posture. Inhale, up. Long exhale and down. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Exhale, stretch back the shoulders. Inhale and exhale in Ashtanga. Inhaling, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana. With inhale, left leg front, look up. Exhaling, both the legs front, head is closed. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhale, pranam. Again, long breath. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, slant. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujang. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, right leg front. Exhale, head is close to the knees. Inhale, arms up, arch back. Exhale, pranam. Round 3, holding the posture. Inhale, arms are back, face relaxed, shoulders engaged. Exhaling, head is close to the knees. Stretch as much as you can. With inhale, right leg is back, arch upwards. Exhaling, legs are back, stretch back the shoulders, arms and legs engaged. Ashtanga, knees, chest and chin touching the ground. Inhale, Bhujang, shoulders back, faces relaxed. Exhaling, mountain, stretch back the shoulders. Left leg front, look up. Both legs front, head is close to the maximum stretch. Keep breathing. Inhale, arms up and back, feeling the shoulders, arms. Exhale, pranam. Again, inhale, stretch back, be calmer. Exhale, the maximum stretch, locking your position with the best stretch. Inhale, left leg back, look up. With exhalation, Parvatasana, legs are stronger, arms are stronger. Ashtang, 8 parts touching the ground, relaxing posture. Inhale, Bhujang, shoulders are back, face is relaxed. With exhalation, again back to the mountain. Right leg front, look up. Both legs front, head is close to the knees, palms as down as you can. Inhaling, back straight, coming up. Exhaling, relaxing. Round 4 will be going a little faster. So inhale, exhale, inhale right leg, exhale, inhale and exhale in Ashtang, inhale Bhujang, exhale mountain, inhale left leg front, exhale both legs, inhale arms up, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale left leg back, exhale mountain, inhale and exhale Ashtang, inhale Bhujang, exhale, inhale right leg front, exhale, inhale arms up, exhale. Inhale again faster. Exhale. Inhale right leg back. Exhale. Stretch as much as you can. Ashtang, Bhujang, mountain, left leg, both legs. Inhale arms up. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, both legs back, Ashtang, Bhujang, mountain, right leg front, both legs front, inhale arms up, exhale again, one more faster, inhale, exhale, right leg, both legs, Ashtang, Bhujang, mountain, left leg, both legs. Inhale, stretch more. Exhale, fast. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, both legs back. Ashtang, Bhujang, mountain, right leg front, both legs front. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. 7th recovery, very slowly. Inhale, maximum stretch. Exhale, slowly. Best time to stretch more and more. Inhale, right leg back. Look up as much as you can. Exhale, press back the shoulders, arms straight, legs straight. Ashtang, 8 parts touching the ground. Inhale, Bhujang, arch back. Exhale, mountain, maximum stretch. Left leg front, look up, feeling the posture. Exhale, head is close to the knees. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhale, pranam. One breath. Inhale slowly, awareness on the body. Exhaling as much as you can stretch. Left leg back. Exhale. Ashtang. Inhale Bhujang. Feel the stretch at the middle back. Exhale, arms are stretched, legs are stretched. Right leg front, look up, jaws closed. Exhale. Inhaling, arms full up, stretch up and back. Exhale, pranam. Again with the same flow almost. Inhale, be aware of your body. Exhale, you're feeling stronger. Body is warmed up nicely. Inhale, right leg back. Best time to stretch more. Exhale, it will increase your flexibility. Ashtang. Navel is up. Inhale, bhujang faces relaxed, shoulders back. Exhale, press back those shoulders as much as you can. Left leg is front, look up. Exhale, head is close to the knees. Inhaling, maintaining that back straight, going up and back. Exhale, pranam again slow. Inhaling, very slowly, feeling the posture. Exhale, keeping your back straight, slowly coming down. Head is close to the knees. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Exhale, mountain pose, Parvatasana. Ashtang, relaxing pose. Inhale, shoulders are back. Mountain. This time, right leg is front, look up. Exhale. Inhale, stretch maximum, go back as much as you can. Exhale. Getting ready, intermediate pace. Inhale, exhale. Right leg back, you will feel the body is more smooth. Use it, stretch more. Exhale, mountain. Ashtang. Inhale, bhujang. Exhale. Inhale, left leg front. Exhale, both legs, head is close to the knees. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhale, pranam. Half more. Inhale. Exhale, stretching more and more every point. Left leg full back, look up. Exhale, press back the shoulders. Ashtang, feel the 8 parts touching the ground. Inhale, bhujang. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, right leg front. Both legs front. Inhale, arms up and back. Body is ready. Now 2 rounds, little bit more faster. So now the 10th round. Inhale, stretch more. Exhale, right leg back. Both legs back. Ashtang, bhujang, mountain. Left leg front. Both legs front. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, both legs back, Ashtang, bhujang, completing every posture, mountain, right leg front, both legs front, inhale, arms up, exhale, last round, the stronger one, inhale, exhale, right leg, both legs stretch more. Ashtang, bhujang, mountain. Left leg front, both legs front. Inhale, arms up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, stretch more, left leg back, both legs back, Ashtang, bhujang, mountain, right leg front, both legs front, inhale, arms up and back, exhale. Take few breaths, relaxing with the breath. If you want to lie down in Shavasana, feel free to lie down on your mat. Arms are completely loose and relaxed. Legs relaxed, comfortable. The whole face soft, relaxed. Feel the heartbeat, the vibrations, the sensation all over the body. Feeling the breaths, which is faster. Try to exhale longer and longer. Few more breaths. And now relaxing. Thank you so much.